What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Cam's Life 12 back at it again, but this time with a little reveal video. So before we begin, I need you guys to go ahead, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and go ahead and turn them notifications on because we're going up all 2021. Shout out to Black Tuxedo, Fiero Boy _86, and everyone else who's been with me on this journey, especially my fiance Lexi for being patient with me with this whole YouTube thing. Shout out to my dad for also helping me with this. And yeah, guys, we're going up 2021. All right, let's get it. Let's get to it. As you can see, here is my new to me 2018 Infiniti Q50 Sport. Not a red sport, just a sport. I recently picked this car up because I figured it was time to get something new. I still have the Lancer, but the Lancer starting to get up there in age and mileage. But yeah, guys, as you see, I'm gonna give you a quick walk around. I really don't have to do much to the front bumper. It already has the little stuff I like. Probably gonna keep the rims stock. I already have some mods coming in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see the mods that I have for this car coming in. But yes, Q50 Sport. It's a little something. Guys, I can't wait to slowly fix this up. I'm not gonna do anything crazy to this car, as I'm gonna just pretty much just cruise in it. What is it, the 3 liter twin turbos? I mean, I can sit here and be a dealer or a salesman and just tell you every single thing, but I don't feel like doing that. I'd rather do that in person. It's fully loaded with everything you could think of. Leather seats. I love this little feature right here compared to the Lancer. Bring it in, bring it out, boom. Heated seats, all that good old stuff. Let's see. Like I said, this is a new to me car. I really don't know much about it, as in like I haven't really sat down and had the time to just go through it with like every single feature there is. But I will get that time, and I will be posting more and more as I learn about the car. But I just want to show you guys the new pickup. Like I said, go ahead. I know I'm gonna keep repeating this, but I'm trying to grow to 1,000 this year. Do all types of content, from drag racing, car stuff like this, you name it. We're gonna try it. All right, so yes sir, until next time, like I said.